Hello, I'm Percy Hooper, and from the Industrial Design Studios of North Carolina State University College of Design, this is Design Smart. Today's tip is organizing one's work.
The design thinker's ability to create a multitude of ideas is of very little value if the ideas are not recorded and organized for access, comparison, and retrieval. What could go wrong? Just as a file cabinet with no sense of order is more of a headache than a repository of information, ideas scribbled on scattered napkins and the backs of envelopes can lead to hours of unnecessary searching to find a lost idea. How much better to use one designated notebook or a specially labeled computer file so the student always knows where to find his work. Organization just makes sense.